This is question 3, test 2, section 8. The table above defines a linear function. What is the value of p? So linear function, this means that the x values are getting multiplied times a constant rate, a slope, a rate of change, and then one number is getting added to them. So basically they're just asking you to look for a pattern here. So what's happening to these x values, which are right here, to convert them to these y values? So you can see these are almost doubled, these values for the y value. And if you look a little closer, you can see that it seems like the x values are getting multiplied times 6 and then having 1 added to them. So let's test that out and see if that's true. So it's definitely true for the first term. Also, this is question 3, so you aren't going to expect the m value and b value to be that outrageous. Okay, let's test that with 2. When 2 is put in as x and we multiply times 6 for m and add 1 for b, does that give us 13? Yes. Okay, and how about 6 times 3 plus 1? Does that give us 19, sorry, because of the plus 1? Yep, that gives us 19. So we're pretty confident about this. We could plug in these last two if we want to be sure, and those will also be consistent with this. So we know that our m value is 6 and our b value is 1. So now we can plug in x is 4 and get what our y output value would be, our y value. Okay, so that's 6 times 4 plus 1, and that gives us our answer of 25. Another way to do this is to realize that each subsequent term is just going up by 6. So that's another way to do it. So 19 plus 6 also gives us 25.